Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Coinbase Pro. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Before logging into a Coinbase Pro account, you need to first have a regular Coinbase account. So go to pro.coinbase.com. Tap Sign In. Type in your email and password. Then tap Sign In. Enter your two-factor verification code and tap Verify. And that's how you log in to Coinbase Pro. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.